Wow! Yo, hvað að frétta? My name is Arnoldur, and today I'm gonna show you guys 4 easy in-camera transition that will make your videos just a little bit more. Alright, so the first transition is super easy. All you have to do is just drag your camera to your chest, to your t-shirt or your sweater or whatever. Or if you don't have a sweater, you just drag it to your chest. So you take it and shoom, drag it like so. Alright? And then from the next spot that you wanna, transition to, you drag your camera from your chest, shoom, and out. And then in Premiere Pro, or whatever editing program you like, you just find the sweet spot in the middle and you cut it there, and then you add those clips together and it would look like this. And then you manage, you to transition yourself from one place to another. Alright, so one tip for this is if you have a t-shirt or a sweater that is the same color, it would make this transition, would make it look way better, but you don't really have to, but it will make it look way better. Also, the sound effect is completely optional. Alright, so the next transition is also easy. All you're gonna do is turn your camera in either left or right. And how I do it, I grab my little gorilla pod and then I just turn. And just like before, you just find the spot in the middle in your editing program, align it together, and it looks like this. And you manage to transition yourself into the woods. There are many mosquitoes here, so we're gonna make this one quick. Quick tip for spinning is spin it in the same direction. I don't know, I hope that you don't need that tip. Alright, so the next transition is also easy. All you're gonna do is just cover your lens. And then on the next transition, you take your cap off, your hand off, alright? And you can cover it with anything. You can cover it with your hat or your lens cap or just like I do, my hand, alright? So I just cover my hand and then on the next clip, I take it off. And it looks like this. Wrong place. And boom, just like magic, you are now standing on a rock by the water. Alright, so a quick tip for this one is to use the same hand. If you don't do, you can still do it, but it looks, it's just a small subtlety that people will kind of notice, alright? So, the last transition, you hear that? Ah! So the last transition for today, and not the least one, is like this. So, you're going to turn, put your hand out, or both, and then you're gonna turn like this, alright? And then just like before, on the next transition, you're gonna turn again, and then you find the sweet spot in the middle and add them together, alright? And it looks like this. And this is the last transition. Alright, so a quick tip for all the transitions that you can, in your editing software, in between the clips, add a little Gaussian blur, to blur these transitions a little bit more together. But I find that, damn mosquitoes. But I find that, most of the times I don't really need it, or like 99% of the times, because, the motion blur of, shaking the camera will usually create, a nice blur for me. Alright, so if you like this video, please smack that thumbs up for me. It really helps me out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below. I'll promise you guys that I'll do my very best to answer. I am super hungry. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Yeah, if you like more videos like this, let me know and I'll try to make one. I know a few more transitions like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.